Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel, welcome to Jenny's channel. So in this video I will be showing you how I transform this dress into a tube top. So I got this dress from a thrift store and I don't really like the fitting, and I decided to transform it to make a tube top with it. So this is me cutting out the lining. After that I will be cutting out the lower part of the dress to make the top. So how you all doing? I hope you're doing great. So for long now I've not been uploading video. I've been busy with my work, and here is the dress. You can see that it have two color, like the upper side is the sky blue and the lower side is navy blue. So I am cutting out the upper side because that will work with the lower part. So I'm going to cut it open and I'll cut it into two parts. So I'm going to use the first part for the front and the other one for the back. So this is, I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to use one of my top as a guide to cut out the pattern. So I'm trying to place it on it, and I'm now marking out where I will cut it out. So after that I'm going to draw a straight line because I'm going to cut it into two. So before I cut it, I am going to make another shape. Like for the neckline, I don't really like the shape of the neck, so I'm going to make like a heart shape, like so. So then I'm going to cut it out. So this is what I have now. I'm going to cut it into two. So if I cut it, I will now have the middle part and the two for the both sides. So you can see I have the middle and the two for the both sides. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out for the back pieces, and for the back I'm also using my top to cut it out. So I'm going to place it and mark a line where I'll be cutting it, and also make a straight line because I'm going to add a zip at the back. So you can see what I have now. I have the middle one and the two for the two side. So I'm going to cut the middle one, because like I said I'm going to add zip, so I'm going to cut it. So after that I'll be stitching it. This is a quick tutorial. It's very easy to make. So you can see what I have now. So I'm going to add zip for the back, and this is the front pieces. So after cutting the front and the back, I also use the lining to cut out lining for the top. So here is the top. I stitch it together and then I iron it. So you can also, I did the same thing for the lining. So now next thing I'm going to do is to attach the zip. And for the zip, I use this color, but I found out that it had fault. So I decided to remove it, to change it, so you will see another zip. So like now I attach another zip. You see the color. So I use another zip instead of the other one because the other one had fault. So that is it. And now you can see that the top is coming out. Now what I'm going to do is to attach the lining on the top. So I am going to be pinning it all around. So here is the look. So already done. Like I say, it's a quick tutorial. So what I did, I now hem the bottom of the top, and I also sew the lining to the zip. Everything come out well. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Do also like and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.